IGC news. Bima Olivia Akwaba. The latest and hot news in Kwa. And I'm a Bremo. And so when you subscribe, Omo say over subscribe. Now like no share video. You say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. Where the side video be upload with the first person on Africa a video. I feel we are now one like video. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for us now. When you be here and summer coso and walk on a memo. I feel young share and summer abeto your proso. Yeti yes, Uncle Moya El Coso. Yeti and some
Napo has destroyed NPP's campaign. And why Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia today, Ubusan say, Senka Pamu Napo no go for Ifufra Ankobeye, but he has no right to do that. You know why? It is because party no mutim no. It is not party a omodwini Ghana for who. Party a ebusuafo bi party. De ebusuafo ne beka no eno na den party ni nyina edi ekire. Nti sebio ebusuafo no selfish interest no. If it has not selfish interest no, it has not been satisfied. No matter what you do, it does not matter the intelligence, any submission. Our Bekacham say, so they will not listen because the party is not for the people. Party no they always want to satisfy their selfish interest. Now here, Napo has gotten the opportunity to speak, to tell Ghanaians their message, to make sure Ghana for Bawumia message I say, to make sure say or the adifufro bi ba or the bibia become message Bawumia message ho adikudientia Ghana for Katashe asho mebufu dollar na 16 asho mebufu adikudientia and the meno ka say and the doom so wo a omon pese omo beka light bill yentumi ntia petrol yentumi ntia yabu ni penim tia bibia o Ghana say yentumi fa nurse fu adwuma the teacher training allowance and the yentumi ntia nursing training allowance yentumi ntia infrastructure jonso aboye to say the jonso abo akoko. These are bread and butter issues Ghana for person mutie how you want to solve it. But because there's no message, they will resort to dirty politics and jandam. Makacho, the NPP has no message. And the introduction of Napo has shown, say, the NPP, they have been one of the most useless party in the history of Ghana. But we are now seeing it clearly. Now, this is Napo. We have the greatest opportunity to tell Ghana for say when you pese yamamo when na yaye momfa bodinhwe esi ukrom sikasam no yaye n say when tumanka. This is what he resulted to. Listen to Napo.
2016 na Ghana high shit say 2024 high shit na Dr. Unteli 2016 near Kotwaba, then 2024 near Kotwaba. Obi owo school abia only 8 years free now. The age of it is all her. The short started in 12 and now 11 and now 13. Now, I'm probably the president. I say, who is the car man go school? What was school so? Jakani and Shoka. Who goes school so that way? We have failed inside, let you have 3 months. Now, Papa, the giant. Oh, now, and the issue will say, well, coach is a training and then nursing training. While I was right there, Chef. So, I see, then a 4 player to me on young magician. I don't know what 20 about you. President, you can say on young magician. Opa school, Opa giant. Revoir. Oh, yeah, you have 3 years. Over you have 3 months. No, look at it. And now someone charging with mobile phone to do it. Can you have ground a day? Oh, yeah, be mouth. Obako primary school, had the Chinese car that don't truck and fund them. Oh, we have graduate cool your grass, or so your puncher will or your dead goat. Nah, one that go up on 7 or surrender. One that go up on 7 or surrender. One go up on 7 or surrender. And to be sure your dead goat, I ain't even know. Get the other now. Over there go to the move. No can and Kwansai. They go. Send that go to the catcher and say, so 2 billion pounds for education. on the basis the mortuary was Zongo. Now Zongo for
watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Saturday go to
You're watching Juicy News on
hello,
YouTube.
catch us there. On your magician, on your Juma Baba. Mutio. South back one in the bottom of 2016. And no Bishop Baye. I say, so the Ghana's can have a share education. I don't think Ghana future. To me,
This is NPP for message for 2024. Safi, mo difference no. Debi ametenaka nkofu we Jimmy a wosi me di o matem. This is Napo. Baby oil campaign senior high school. Akim Asante Akim South. Asante Akim South. Ojina Ghana young men and women almost senior high school in the best campaign no. Now you get where we are heading. Na sa Jimmy way. Sa Aqua way. When you had the greatest opportunity to speak to young people. Now a whole political party in power. Oh yeah, wo for na wo hwa de we. Oh yeah, Ghana ni na wo hwa de we. So we na embedi wo so. You could see clearly. Say Aqua way with Jimmy. He's doing wayside politics. And you know, this is the best they can do. This is all that they can go. This is the furthest they can go. They cannot do anything more. Eh? Teacher training and the UTR near to Kromha. And Akwara Eji Mike free abozigin team. I can say, hey, we are true for 4 years. Martina school my UTR me alawa biya obwa on kano kre. Abozigin say, hey, and minimo my friend. And see, these are the fools who have messed up Ghana. Ghana na asena nkofo say politicians there. These are young children. These are 16, 17-year-old kids. Mo papa mpenifo amutu efu dwene Kennedy Agyapong. Ne tu nyine efu dwene ne mbati aburuchire ko school papa. Napo Osiso almost 56 years. Owari enru 1 year. Sanseni o. Napo Osiso bo jantra ko Legon. East Legon ne apartments or de bi o chenyi oba. Ope vice president edinti awari oye sanseni. Mema wari 10 years ni Napo owari enru 1 year. Oye sansenilization. Now, all the things I know Jinan Kurani can you could see say only facts be able to support it. And you hear say politics. And you jandam. They think say in seminar in 2012, 13, 14, 15, Ghana for Jimmy. Now he was speaking about nursing training for Alawamba. Now go teacher training, nursing training. Over 30 months. Discano. Sansenilization like that. Sansenia a champion for just a worry. Because one worry in your position. We are sanseni. That means now we nyansa what about worry. Me my worry 10 years. I've been responsible. A responsible dad for 10 years. This idiot standing there because of power, he wants to be responsible. He's not responsible. He wants to be responsible. Now, I say, John Mahama ka say onya magician. Inti anunti Mama Ghana phone to Abama John Mahama. You see, I keep telling you. John Mahama say onya magician or discuss together for anunti men to Abama John Mahama with Jimmy. Is this politics? Anunti me call. Minu bi awako school, madam fu bi awako school. Enka say, hey, we na napoka anunti men to Abama Napo eni Bawumia. This is going to make Ghana ni anadwini adwuma to say, oh, where they chasing Napo nim nyansa. That is the problem we have. Okore ni mo se den John Mahama dim so ba no den o say obi ama na ncha ma obi an charge phone na pokasa na generators na chi mote na hwene se jetli mpoboa ogina ho kasa no Kennedy to stage chairman to stage nkwasiafo nyina to na generators ye kire bo adenta generators so kwasiafo dum so aba omo beso mbegi atum. That means say baby na ogina ho kasa no school ni mu no na light ni wo. If you think I'm lying, listen to him. Listen to the background.
2016. Now, Ghana has shit. Say 2024. Now, Doctor.
On say, Ostatica say, I don't know, I confused. They be a kind of say, Onisa adwene na emu odin sort by campaign. Onisa adwene bi. Otinechi. On say si aneswate de bia odwene jonkuma wuo hu de bia jonkuma wuo ne dada ehunhuna no inti oni peace of mind yebusa no did you kill jonkuma or ma answer so I catch say Kelvin did you kill jonkuma enyam ameka say no ebe sin the Napo cannot say no or yes why so until the same way amde ye JB dankwa if you ask Napo today did you kill jonkuma on to me ma answer una oku jonkuma o bodyguard no na dan for bodyguard bi na omo sirem no omo de confirm jonkuma edi wuye it's a simple question una oku jonkuma yes no nti oka o say oh na Jomahama o say okosi mochre Amazon gofo na odisika no we Jimmy onim de okeka onim because the party consistently they have never had a message. And anytime I started for 2000, and I'm a mouth say, no, maybe I say, these are fools. Almost a munyina Jimmy. In their head, that is what they think. In the head of Bawumia, in the head of the Napo, in the head of Kennedy Agyapong. And Kennedy Agyapong, the Kajam say, Bawumia Jimmy, wa bon on to me 100 Ghana. Send the Kennedy Agyapong in a stage, catch or say, I just see idea, or the Bawumia Kennedy Agyapong, I give bomo, brony the drill of an argument. Brony alpha drill with Jimmy.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. News all time.
And then I can say Bawumia is useless. Bawumia and Ghana. Bawumia ever standing with Mahama. Bawumia is basically has lost the elections. Now Bawumia a fake economist. And the Kwasia way side in a stage. And yes so ko kumaseno. Tia some okay. Or say ne Kennedy Agyapong can say ni focus any the youth. Onim say youth ni bi mu Jimmy. Say utie Kennedy Agyapong ni message ono so kan ya time na pokasa we na. O say ai e de party dey free ma Mr. pull it for me. Party dey free ma e de lose election into ono de concentration in the youth. We hu say Ghana mebunu mu Jimmy. Ne baba kumpo ni Ghana. But you see, in Melbourne be more Jiminti every day, no. Oba say the youth. Mona moya me problem. The problem no America. American government is taking care of his pigs. But what about him? The biano or the mo oba nitina is agria etiaso no. Oh, the target is the youth. The youth should do what? The target is the youth. And you know that these people, you told us, okay, Dakaja say Kwasia fo we na say Ghana. Now so Kwasia be gina stage catch say youth na person obo Kwasia na obe say Ghana no. U piana maye unim poison no. Unim say draw ye dia ebewu. Wo na obe catch say we ye druboni ye dia ebewu. Bawumia ye druboni ye poison. Ye dia sika ye bewu. Ade chin ya wo say an poison no mean say poison. Na mu youth no na mu ya me target nti mu de mu nkodinwu. Kennedy ni san konante Ghana asase so. Kennedy Agyapong. Now, so I say, what about Japan? A brand table max of a boat. You cannot, Japan. Obi, you're to the corruption. No, no, Angasa etnefi. Now, what Tamsikai, not that one yim, no, a true note to say, I cannot live with this embarrassment. Win him. Go to China, go to Japan. When people do things, they think it's against Omwankasa Nipedia, it's against a moral. They didn't have the moral right to do that, and they don't deserve to even live among their families. The shame that comes with it. Japan, any Korea no, obi to me said them, Oria na we kunu ho no letter say yes, I committed this crime, I said these things, and I deceived some people. I don't have to live amongst them. Honorably, they take their lives. Kennedy Agyapong to me catch them poison ye. Kennedy Bawumia poison. Bawumia nye papa. Bawumia say Ghana. Omo no mu wie sika no nyafunyafu. Asase do moton. Ade chi ya. Why na nim sakram. Et say den. Eye ebro gari abegina be ka kire me say. An youth no. Inti Bawumia na so ejimi. Wa say Ghana no. O sa pia youth ready ama poison so mgodinwu. We jimi. O ka sa asem no stage no. Womba go America. And I will catch them so they should vote wisely because their education is important. They have security. They have their insurance is safe. Abuofunu ujina Ghana youth say you are pushing the poison for them to eat. Or say they are where Jimmy. And this is what they have done over the years. Because some of them say Mumudu Duono, without due respect, where Jimmy. Into people like us when we come on air. So men take Kelvin Taylor because they know People on my TV, when they come on air, oh, men could because they know that we will break it down. Mumbuza Kennedy Agyapong say, youth now more Ghana now, ne manage omwana. Kwasiato, ujina kaje say, Bawumia Jimmy, Bawumia say Ghana, Bawumia economist, Bawumia Kromfo, NPP for we Ghana, Oma Gukrono. Then you turn around to tell us, say, oh, Bawumia Jimmy Mum, young man president. Now Ghana nka yopa page pade ene o company phone tantan na wo se ubia untimi bie na anka wema Bawumia abedi so wo Kennedy Agyapong ende meka se Bawumia be administrator wo onkwase company na obeye. You will not do it because you want to protect your assets. But Ghana de eyankwase afo kro nti wo sabeti Bawumia maye on a silver platter because youth ni bia Jimmy the same way ankwase afo bi di cheda kromfo ewi mo amudi cheda echi mo nko no nko bi Kelvin tell so ye wi adentira catch them. The same way
you are watching
in Kokra your young men omoni mu nyina pompono se e kuntu atiti social media defend cheda in Kokra omkobo jantra ya bo omuti omhye gatem omoni ma pompono e de se oba time baby ete ho e defend cheda ombetuma wo no because some of you the so called in Kokra na mo from who youth mo agimi na we di 42 o from who youth o Ghana we agimi for. I am being real and being honest with you. I am trying to distinguish. May try explain it. May try Mr. S, thank you. Let me play this video. Kennedy Agyapong muntie no. Time day. Ye bedu dwem. Menko bebia. Obi ahwe. The whole NPP obi ahwe. Na ye na wagohwe. Uni bebia akọ. Mempa wo chọso. For Jimmy tina ha obetie no kure no. Now this Kennedy Agyapong muntie no.
Answer na be ko politics ma na be campaign. Who ko contest ya? Asa who say obi be win, obi be lose. It is a Owusu na njira se ewiase ase a enu nti no o se choboy enu nti onye campaign media me some party esom Ghana man na when yina no ni nti a me jina ha anopai especially the youth. The future of this country belongs to you. Anuti and Mapasa. Babia Maba Wani Branti Beshiabiano, I'll be there. Namaki the Wayam Fatu Achra said. Adiana na donate Dr. Bawumia NPP Ayano. Sauko school ha. And so uko go to the anima. Ubompaya Emma Sammy for any NPP party. So Omobetina Swatch, Ama Ghana stability, Ama Ebi account. If you say, I can miss anyone, or hear me last or so bad, Yawu me too as you dump him. Not any Kromo, Yanni watch your different time. A boy be near friend or react. Say a boy or yes, first one na abono num osu second one na abono nsia ansana ya soria consumer kodware asabia befie abanu aduane ba enam ade ba ko a me papa e de chia me ani se wodi me go school emra ye wo school no na me wo classmates baku miansa no ma bene chia me and nine. That time, for the first time, I see dumping.
Kwasiakeka. I see dumping na oni enria oria enyini ye no. Mumusan so obenya to me 30 years. Dey na odokwa adon I see dumping. Abuo pete. Ogina nkwara nim na oda da omo. Ne magu abrochire. Opuro. Ne mana wa wo sem prekoro mu nyina gu abrochire. E na ogina nkwara nim 16 17 years. E na oka chom so oni oria na enyini ye. No message. Ojina SS fu animo and also oni oria. Or abua na friend oria no oni oria ne inti o behave so oria. Inti afena me wan de Korintia Kennedy. Oya ni bibia so oria. Oni oria ne nyini ye. Na time a oni oria enyini ye na kerosene ni wo kane ni ho a wotie kurasi to a wadane eye den. Wadane oria nua no oria donfo. Oria adamfo. The question is, unya opportunity na oko eye parliament no 30 years na dey na come out ukrum for or twi we a Jimmy Fo we near from honorable me. What is my friend Kennedy honorable that? I'll be a fool to do that. Because there's nothing about him excess or honorable. He's not consistent. He cannot be relied on. He is not truthful. This is a despicable, dirty, filthy liar. And a reasonable human being like me, I'm a one man, make sure I'm with the principles of life. Such a person, I'm not supposed to refer to as an honorable. He's a diseased, despicable human being. It is a kwa way or ne oria nyini ye no. Eka say, o nyini no, o nyina oria, ende oko baby ofri na asen dompem oria da ho ho. We di almost 30 years. Sika onya free eye pharmaceutical shop or obi e nyina through politics no or the mark go abrochire ema asen dompem for da ho ne enria oria eti kwasia afa wo baby asem ne free omo hu sem wagimi na enkora ne de omo yankora na mo awofo na school fun amomba ne kɔ no free SHS we aduane mponi hɔ no saa school ya nkora we yare no mo a mo ya awofo no mo to makwasea we ne manyina gu abrochire ya ma ne 30 years so medi nipa so e wa asen dompem me na wo ka sei ɔwia na o ka no enwia da ho hɔ we nsi one school ɔse na ɔne de wa pratete ne tusi de ya ani mu ne de ko school ne sing green. Sa time no wo hwe na niase ase onya join this be 30 years o se na basa aisa akoko kontwa che se wo hu na hanta ena ne papa etam no ko si school dem na wo papa tam ko si school dem a one enwia enyini ye anadutu awia tumi ka se ade achi o na wo di wuti se adwe sorry ye fa sa jani mu no ade na wunya opportunity to serve them 30 years when Mensah university amom ofui 30 years ade na went to manya kwan papa amom Oria 30 years I don't know when to be a juma papa bia momo Oria you are a typical Oria unimu nyansa inti NPP for no omuhumu Ghana for some way Jimmy this is the same man Kennedy Agyapong Otna radio so catch the Ghana for say Bawumia is a loser Bawumia kano kre Bawumia kromfo wa say Ghana this is the same despicable soul standing in front of Yema to foolishly exhibit the highest form of dishonesty na yes son kwasiafo we so.
You came on your own, right? To sell your ideas, but you are Nipenyere Bodopa, a vice president,
right?
He's an economist. I know you're also an astute economist.
Hey! If you know this journalist, tell him to foolishly do his research before he comes to sit on radio. This journalist, I'm about to play the video. No, one can say he should not foolishly sit on radio and ask stupid questions. Kennedy Agyapong is not an economist. Stop this foolishness. Mona mudi Jimmy we ama politicians be da Ghana for Kennedy Agyapong on school papa ben or economist. You people sit on radio na mudi Jimmy as son kwasia sam so anything obi say KT Amon only certificate or parliament Jimmy no ho anything na Akufo Addo only certificate or Ghana be president en kwasia for someone to radio so you don't research ya kase kwasia bia betre woni ma kwachi Mike na mo kasa. When did Kennedy become an economist? When did Kennedy Agyapong become an economist? When? Munja nkwasia journalism na munya time kakra enja jantra na munsua de na mumu bi no mu agimi. When did he become an economist? This fool who does not know his left from his right. Politics na for Ghana ntira and as such a roadside drug addict comes to Ghana and become a member of parliament. Munsua de na mu agimi. Muna moma politicians say Jimmy Ghana for no. Never mention say you are an astute economist. When did Kennedy Agyapong become an economist? Munja Jimmy no. Now listen to the foolishness.
You came on your own,
right?
To sell your ideas, but you are Nipenyere Bodopa, a vice president,
right?
He's an economist. I know you're also an astute economist. Has he failed in Akufo Addo government?
Oh, of course, yes.
He has failed.
Yeah, of course. The man said, when Mahama media no grace in Womumpa and I can Agyapong or my NDC ammunition, NDC for Munti Kuruma. When the man said, when your fundamentals are weak, your exchange rate will expose you. When he was saying that $1 was 4 cedis, and the current DC for 3 cedis, 80 pesos, and today 11.5. The rate of depreciation. What are we going to say? And to me, the baby had no credit be any account. Now they were unfairly or a mate.
But the failure here, the NPP party.
But Ebba said digital there, unka say NPP, I know there you take credit. Basa bibi nya bi a wo say na you meet. Please, you see, I don't want individual, but media means so we makama chiro. Because I was expecting the year 2016 or economy was a year and compensation see our call round to make economy was. He talks about digital. Let me tell you something. Me call Western North. Tie. Omo so mo economist. Muntie. Tomato seller is the best economist I've ever seen. One polling station woman organized a catch and say, Honorable, maybe one ma into about. Nam so what day? Was it first a bucket of tomatoes and the 10 cedis. And then the same quantity no me the 50 cedis. Me get to ashi into me jumanye me tifie. Economist Ben Chewi. He's been able to analyze it. The cost of 10 cedis tomatoes about 3 years ago now is 50 cedis. And she needs more money to go and buy. She doesn't have it into her TV. Sa mami we. Wakotoba, does she understand the guitar? No. Please, mumi yanka no grow. I'm painful be on my yentia. Womani guy jata bananum. Still, mo pasa mo di ansa koshem because of nyamu.
Mate. Jata bananum. Still, mo pesa mo di ansa koshem kwasia we gina stage na nkwara ni me ka che won say yemfa nkwara we gina nkwacho jata nanum. Na me ka so we jimi fo awse me didi atem. This guy has nothing to lose. Only Ghana at heart. Ohun se mu nyina mo jimi o Ghana ho. Into gina stage a o the youth. Na watamo o de mo kwahye jata nanum. Wo hun nanum. Time and all $11 was 11 and $1 was 16. Or then the question that Bawumia. It is because of what he will get. The money they have paid him. Wajini Sikewie and the original secondary school Asante Achim South. Wobano old school no. Ye yine free classroom no abegino catch and say, I yamame mon kwasha jatane num. O wi ane mate abrochiro America. Baby ameme mako school ne hona ne mawo. Na wo ba kwa mi amwako. Wakana sha jatane num. Wo ne nim tantan odete wo. Mwejimi mumubi ye kam ne kurechirema monte. These people are playing on your conscience. The NPP as a political party, they have never had a message. It has always been about themselves. Where did the bomb no ko? Where did the bomb no changing the din? Obu ha your friend Kwame. Obano the saboma the next day oba say your friend eyi amwako. Obu ha your friend Moses or the sabom no about say your friend Jeremiah. That is the NPP. They steal, they go, they change their name, their faces, and they come. JJ Rollins, these are the same people. They have never had Ghana at heart. Now, why do you Juma now Ghana Nina Wutia Kwawe, the Okan Efa Bawumia, because no person be a flag bearer. And Okan in natural, or we and also the Okano, where Jimmy Timenfa, Intesiano, or Boam Wakosha Jatane Num, or Catchreo, or the Wokosha Jatane Num. Or then a catcher say Bawumia Jata or a dangerous Bawumia economist. Or sudden what the stage say, Munina Montuma Bawumia, Adentra, because Sika Diamano, and where you man or ye, or who say we are dear, you are just a project, or we are with you make a way Jimmy.
You wait for we and some abeto in Ponso. Because this so and I will have no so we can subscribe here. Or what you say over subscribe. So I had the latest and hot news in Kona the Bremo. After we are now like video na share more for so any dinner one share. Also bet me actually what you fire and some way now I will comment box no over to Minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.